Hi, hello students. Welcome to our 11th physics class. This video continue with the first lesson, Nature of Physical World and Measurement. This is parts 11 and now we are going to learn about accuracy and precision. Second one, errors in measurements. Let's start. What is accuracy and what is precision? Accuracy is the degree of closeness to true value, and precision is the degree to which an instrument or process will repeated the same value. In this diagram, first one is accuracy and second one is precision. In other words, in measurement of a set, accuracy is closeness of the measurements to a specific value, while precision is the closeness of the measurements to each other. The precision is the quality of being clear. It is irrelevant of the correct or closest to an expected value of any given measurements. For example, if you measure the weight of any object 5 times and you find that it is 245 grams each time, it is perfectly precious. Accuracy refers to closeness of a measured value to a standard or known values. For example, if in lab you obtain a weight measurement of 3.2 kg for a given substance, but the actual or known weight is 10 kg, then your measurement is not accurate. This is visual example of accuracy and precision. First diagram is not accurate and not precious, and second one is not accurate and this is precious, and third one is precious and accurate. This is important skill questions, 2 marks, or sometime asking in 3 marks. Okay students, now errors in measurement. The uncertainty in a measurement is called an error, and there are 3 types of errors, namely first one random error, second one systematic error, and third one crash error. First one systematic errors. These are reproducible inaccuracies that are constantly in the same direction. This occur often due to problem that persists throughout the experiment. Systematic errors are further classified as instrumental error, procedure error, it's another name, imperfection in experimental technique, and third one personal errors, fourth one errors due to external causes, and last one least count error. First one instrumental error, when an instrument is not calibrated properly at the time of manufacture, instrumental error may occur. For example, if the measurement is made with a metal scale whose end is worn out, the result obtained will have errors. These errors can be corrected by choosing the instrument carefully. Second subtopics, imperfection in experimental technique or another name procedure errors. These errors arise due to limitation in the experimental arrangement. For example, while performing experiment with calorimeter, if there is no proper insulation, there will be radiation losses. This result in error. Procedure error correction is necessary steps and corrections should be applied and follow while performing experiment. Third subtopic error is personal errors. These errors are due to individual performing the experiment, may be due to the incorrect initial setting up of the experimental or carelessness of the individual making the observation due to improper precaution. Fourth subtopic errors due to external causes. The changes in external conditions during an experiment can cause error in measurement. For example, changes in temperature, humidity, or pressure during measurement may affect the result of measurement. And the last subtopic, fifth one is least count error. Least count is the smallest value that can be measured by measuring instrument, and the error due to this measurement is least count error. The instrument resolution is cause of the error. The error is of the least value measured by the device, and this correction is least count error can be reduced by using a high efficient instrument for measurement. Second main error, random errors. Random errors may arise due to random and variation is experimental condition like pressure, temperature, voltage supply, etc. And errors may also due to personal errors by the observer, and random errors are sometimes called chance errors. While measuring the thickness of a wire using a screw gauge, different reading are taken in different trials. The correction in random errors by taking arithmetic mean of all readings, observer may reduce the random error and the mean value is taken as best possible true value. The last main error, crash errors. The error caused due to sheer carelessness of observer is called crash error. For example, first one, improper setting of instrument, and second one, making wrong observation without bothering about the source of errors and precautions, using wrong value in calculation, and last example, recording wrong observation. And the correction in crash errors, this error can be minimized only when the observer is careful and mentally alert. Errors in measurement, 5 mark questions, and accuracy and precision is 3 mark questions. These 2 questions read and write well. Thank you, students.